Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been away for a little bit. That tends to happen with me. I'm not as consistent as I would like to be with my videos, but I am back today to give you a hair update, and I want to also tell you about some other stuff, but I might just make a separate video for that so that this one isn't too long. So I am approximately, what is it, like 6 and 3, maybe like 10 or 11 weeks into my Microloc situation. That is such a rough estimate. I really didn't calculate it, so and doing mental math is not my strong suit, so I'm not entirely sure, but it's definitely been at least 2 months. And I just wanted to show you my progress and let you know a little bit about what's been going on with my hair. So first things first, I'm just going to show it to you because I know that's what everybody loves. That's what I love. So let's just get into that right now. And I'm about 3 weeks post retightening. So I'll be doing another retightening in the next three to 4 weeks. Okay, so I hope you got to see my hair for the most part, my grid, what it's looking like, and all that good stuff. So right now there's not too much new that's happening with my hair. Some of my locks are budding, which is pretty exciting, and some of them are also forming little balls at the end, but I notice when it happens, if I pull, then the ball snaps off. I don't know if that's normal or not. I haven't had a chance to Google that, but that's happening. And they're getting thicker really primarily up here at the root, and some of them are thickening up a little bit in the midsection. I guess that also has to do with the budding. So that's that. As far as what I've been doing to maintain my hair, I really haven't been spraying it with water or my little DIY spray that often, and it's been okay, honestly. The weather's been really funny here. It's been really like moist and humid, so my hair hasn't been suffering on that front. And I've been using this ginger scalp care shampoo from the Body Shop to wash my hair. I'm gonna be honest, I don't know how good this is for my hair, but I am using it mainly because I am a dandruff sufferer, and I got really good reviews from a lot of customers who said that it helped a great deal at controlling their dandruff and soothing their scalp. So I'm using it for that reason. It's pretty transparent, the shampoo, so I'm assuming it's not really leaving any major buildup in my hair. And even if it is leaving some buildup, the apple cider vinegar baking soda rinse that I do, or soak that I do, is really, really, really effective at removing that buildup. So I washed my hair about 2 days ago. It's really clean right now, feels really good. It doesn't feel stripped, but it doesn't feel heavy or oily or weighed down in any way. And in the next 3 to 4 weeks, I'll be retightening my hair again, just depending on how much growth I have, because there's already a little bit of new growth, but some areas of my hair don't grow as quickly as others. So I think maybe 4 weeks from now would be a better bet, just to ensure that there's good growth all over. And that's pretty much it for this video, because this was strictly a hair video. I am going to make another video right after this one, just letting you know about the makeup details for my lip and some other stuff. Oh, and I wanted to tell you guys also that I really love this shampoo for locks. This is the green tea shampoo from Aubrey Organics. I was using this a lot on my previous set of locks, so if I decide when the ginger shampoo is done that I don't want to get that again, I'm going to go back to the Aubrey Organics, because that is a really good shampoo. That's it. So if you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. I'll get back to you. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I have noticed you guys. Thank you for my pre-existing subscribers. I'm very appreciative of all of you, and thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.